Hello everyone, my name is Ranjita. This class is about how to paint on fabrics and how we can create a clock out of our painted artwork. In this class, I will show the right art materials you required to paint this beautiful painting. Then I take you through simple technique for painting leaves and flowers. I will demonstrate the basics of stroke painting and I will teach you how the basics will help you to create the beautiful artworks. I will show you how easily we can create a clock from our painted project. By the end of this class, you will have a better understanding on how you can paint beautiful flowers and leaves with limited colors and techniques. And also I included simple project for you to try with step-by-step instruction and downloadable worksheets. Whether you want to discover the painting technique or you want to paint florals, if you are an experienced artist or if you are a beginner, everyone is welcome to my class. Enroll today and don't forget to follow me on Skillshare and don't miss out my new class by clicking the follow button. See you in my class.